Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Shopify store name in a few seconds. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify and click on home in the top left. Okay, it will take you to this page. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, to change your Shopify name, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to select here store details. Okay, now after you click on store details, you can find here store name, phone, sender email, store contact email. Now what you want to do, guys, next you want to click on edit profile, edit here. You can see this small edit, click on it, and then you can then name the store. Okay, you can change the name. For example, I'm going to change it to best deals or anything like that. Of course, this is just an example, guys. You have to name it a very good name so that it will attract customers to your Shopify store, and then you can make purchases. Like, the name is very important, also the logo. Now what you want to do, guys, next is you want to click on save in the top right. Okay, save, and then the store name has changed. As you can see, settings saved, and now this is your store name. And if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. See you guys next video.